Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is June the 9th on a Monday, and taking a quick look. Not a lot to talk about in the major indices here. We're just kind of been creeping higher with pockets of violence every now and then, but the move is still to the lower left and the upper right, although very slowly in the major indices there. Let's dive in, take a look at some setups. There's quite a few out there today, so be sure to check out all of them if you have trade ideas. All right, first on the list is DKNG, Donkey Kong, I like to call it, and a nice move on Friday, and it's right here at a critical pivot level right here at 36. All right, so 36.01 would be taken out about a 2-week high there. I see now it's kind of printing 36.11. Also, ARC, I just want to point out ARC had a nice move on Friday as well with some nice volume. So I'm kind of focusing on some ARC stocks today, which takes me to my next one, which is going to be, there's my XNet alert, PATH, PATH. After earnings, boy, it was kind of got slammed down for a couple of days in a row. Well, now it's kind of regrouped, bounced off these moving averages above all its moving averages. Once again, a pivot level around this area. So 1351. I needed to take out this high going back the day after earnings. So 1351. Tight stop if it takes out that low right there, going back to that day after earnings. EXEL is a stock that had earnings about 3 weeks ago. Two impressive moves, but hasn't really done anything since. What I'd like to see is it take out these two wicks to the upside. All right, so the price, the trigger on that one's 43.84 there in EXEL. Easy stop if it takes out the low of that range. NUS is the last one on the list here, and you can see there a couple of really good days of volume and movement, pulled back, nothing violent, just kind of pulled back to this breakout area. So looking for a break above 801. It's pretty close to it here in pre-market. So 801 on that NUS. And once again, an easy stop if it takes out this range right here, and also be taking out that 20-period moving average. All right, guys, that's it for the day. Listen, there's plenty others on the list. Be sure to check them out and have a great one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.